In the Eastside, with $1 million, do you want to buy an old fixer-upper or a brand new cottage like this one? Hi everyone, I'm Maggie. A lot of people hear about HB 1110, but have you ever seen any new constructions like this? Today we're in Kirkland and we're only 5 minutes away to Kirkland downtown, 2-3 minutes away to Costco shopping, really close to 405 as well. And this new construction that we're going to show you has 14 brand new cottages, and the price is around 1.1 to 1.3 million, and the square footage is around 11 to 1300 square feet. So today we're going to show you the home, and we're going to tell you how much you have to invest in a new construction like this and what is your return. Let's go. Welcome to this sweet home. So this home is 1300 square feet, 2 baths, 2 beds, and then this is the main area. So you have an open concept family room plus the kitchen. And the family room is quite spacious, you know, considering how what's the square footage of the whole house. And the focal point, of course, is a gas fireplace with all the surroundings decoration. And I really like, you know, the design of it, and the engineering wood is my favorite color. So the house, it feels more spacious than it really is because it's high ceiling, vaulted ceiling, and great lighting. And here is the kitchen, the standard island with quartz countertop, and they have gas stove and a range hood. So although it is not a huge area, it has everything you need for your cooking needs. And then here is a bedroom on the main, because the floor plan of this cottage is the main floor plus the lower level. And you have a lot of cottages that you have seen in Kirkland that is 2 stories. So that's why this bedroom on the main is bigger. So you can easily fit in like king size bed, 2 nightstand, and then both sides you have windows, great natural light, and you have an AC where you can control your own temperature. And here is a in-suite bathroom. So it's a quite simple design, the sink, and then there is a shower room, of course the access from the other side. So it serves the purpose as a guest bathroom and an in-suite of the primary bedroom. So now we're at the lower level, and here is a huge bonus room compared to the size of this house. And you can make it a bonus room, a gym, or like this one, like a study or a office. So they do have this closet and then a patio door where you can go to the outside directly. And here is another bedroom with bathroom. So I really like how spacious it feels. It has high ceiling, and then it's actually a bigger bedroom than the main floor bedroom. You can easily fit in king size bed, nightstands, and then some furniture on this side. They have windows on both sides, so great natural light as a lower level bedroom. They have a walk-in closet and another full bath right there. So I think this is a very practical design at the lower level. So now we actually walk into the community. Like I said, there are 14 cottages and most of them are already built. And on my left-hand side, here are some detached garages, and some of the home have the garage, some of the home will have this assigned parking lot. So with $1 million, you definitely can choose to buy an old home in Bellevue, Redmond, Kirkland, and then turn it into a cottage community like this. Of course, you have to invest in $2-3 million, but I think the return is pretty good. Or you can spend $1 million, buy a cottage like this, and you have a move-in ready home, 2 bed, 2 bath, very modern, and with assigned parking or garage. Which one would you prefer? Really appreciate the listing agent Tony Ferrari giving us this chance to shoot this community. If you're interested in this community or in the cottage in general, give us a call. We're here to help. I'm Maggie. See you next time.